Welcome to La Vida Dispensa, and today we are visiting one of the most amazing places in the United States, Niagara Falls.
This is honestly a beautiful family experience. Don't miss it.
Yeah, so we're here at Niagara Falls. We're actually just about to go on to the ticket line right over here and go ride Maid of the Mist. That's gonna take us right down in the falls. We're gonna get so close. I'm super pumped. Let's see how it is. Who's ready to get wet? So here we are, we're getting ready to go on Maid of the Mist. And they give you these little ponchos because we're definitely gonna get wet. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look at the falls right there. We're gonna go get soaked. So the cool thing right now is we're on the United States side. We're right across here, right across this little river right here where the falls come running down into. That's the Canadian border. That's the Canadian side. And we're actually pretty close to Toronto up here, so it's kind of cool. So like you got the US side, which is more of like a national park kind of deal. And then on the Canadian side, it's more like a tourist area. There's a lot of restaurants, a lot of shops, all that kind of stuff. So it's like it contrasts each other.
Here we go.
We're moving, mama. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is a crazy experience. Super crazy. We're getting soaked right now. Look at the wind. This is insane. Look at how close we are to these falls. Woo! And little Miss Layla. How'd you like it?
Amazing!
So yeah, here we are on the observation deck, and this is right after you get off the Maiden of the Mist. We were just down in one of those boats right there, and it brings you really close to the waterfalls over there. But then once you get off and you hop on the elevator brings you up back up to this observation deck, so you kind of get to look out. And over across here, this is the Canadian side. And today we're actually here with Andrea's parents. Say hello to the YouTube. Say hello to all our subscribers. Maid of the Mist store. Another thing I want to point out is those ponchos. We actually got to keep the ponchos, so that's kind of like a cool little souvenir. Wow, what is that?
It's a Niagara picture. And this thing is like a keychain. It's made of the mist teddy bear.
This is like a duck, but it has the Maid of the Mist raincoat, the poncho on. That's cool.
Hello, Captain.
This is kind of cool. This is the ship's wheel Maid of the Mist 1 from 1885 to 1955. This is cool. They have it displayed right here in the store. There was some type of a fire. The boats were completely destroyed with the exception of some salvage wood, which was carved into wooden nickels that quickly became collector's items. So I think this was the first Maid of the Mist, and it caught on fire. Neat little piece right here. They have some merch here. They got some hoodies, $39.99. Big fan of this t-shirt, but it's $22.99. Oh, it's on sale for $14.99. $16.99. Wow. So there's a couple of interesting facts about Niagara Falls is every second it is 700,000 gallons of water that is coming down these falls. That's incredible, 700,000 gallons. That's a lot of water, isn't it? If you guys know what the name of the 3 waterfalls are in Niagara Falls, leave them in the comments. It's just a beautiful day out, and we just want to go ahead and just say thank you for following along on all of our journeys here with La Vida Despensa. And if you guys really like our content, please hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, engage, comment with us, because it really helps out our channel. Let's see what other adventures we can get into, right?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh, and this is neat. You can see where we're walking up to right now. They have a little bridge that crosses. There's one part right above the one fall, and you can go across this bridge, and I guess there's more trails over there, different viewpoints over on that side. We're gonna go try to check that out in a little bit. They actually have these trolleys right here, and they take you around the park, Niagara Falls State Park. And I don't know if they're hop on or hop off. I think they have like multiple stops that they do. So you can definitely hop on one of those if you get tired of walking. And here we go, I found a little map for us. Shoreline Trail, Upper River. Welcome to the Niagara River Greenway. So this is the Shoreline Trail. So this runs all the way from Lake Ontario, and it is going to Lake Erie. And this is Grand Island. It gives you like for all the, you know, visual performing arts, history, different hiking trails, different parks.
And Niagara Falls produce enough hydroelectric power to supply over 3 million homes. Wow.
You hear that? 3 million homes. This is where one of the falls is going over, right?
I was hoping to see a rainbow because it said like in sunny days you can see rainbows here. Like because of the mist.
Oh, like in the mist of the waterfall, right?
Yep.
Well, let's go down here and check this out, and maybe we can go see. Maybe we can find a rainbow, guys. Boop. There's a rainbow. There's a rainbow. There's the rainbow. Super, super amazing. Wow. Look at these people down here. They are getting soaked down there. Look at this. I don't want to leave.
I know.
This is like so peaceful.
Yeah, yeah.
Isn't it crazy? It's
water.
It's so powerful and loud, but at the same time, just until now, I never had the urge to come here. I never had the want to come here until, you know, just a few weeks ago when we decided that we were gonna come and visit this place. But now that I'm seeing it, I regret that I didn't come sooner. Definitely come check this place out with your family or whoever it may be. This is amazing. Tell you what, you get your workout in. So yeah, we decided to come check out a couple things by ourselves. Layla, of course, she got a little tired. She was too hot. So she went back with Andrea's parents back to the car, had some lunch. We're gonna go try to check out like some local Indian spots here that I seen because I love Indian food. So let's go see, let's go try it. So we were walking around, I stumbled upon this like crazy looking halal food cart right here. This is Lahori shawarma. And I think I've never had a mango lassi, but I want to go ahead and try a mango lassi right now. And maybe we're gonna get some garlic naan. And then I think I want to try one of those gulab jamuns. I'm not too sure what it is, but I love Indian food. I've had Indian food a couple times down in the city. So we're gonna check out this little spot right here in Niagara, and this is called Lahori shawarma. Let's see what they got. What? This is like mango yogurt. And it's not super sweet, really natural tasting. Really light too. You would think it's like heavy, but it's not. This is like a mango smoothie on steroids. Food's ready. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Look at some garlic naan right here. And then we ordered some gulab jamun. I had no idea what they were. So here, take a peek at it. It's like an Indian pastry. It's sweet. It could be either served hot, cold, or at room temperature. So it's basically made up of like wheat flour. It's rolled into this mixture, into this ball with cardamom, spices. You know, Indian cuisine is all about spices. You know what I mean? It's dropped into a hot type of syrup and fried almost. Liquid actually in here is rose water. You're gonna take this. I'm gonna take this, and you want to know what we're doing? We're just the same time, and we're cheersing it. Ready? Cheers. Cheers. Super sweet. Super sweet.
I would say it's like a bowl cake with honey.
Yeah, it's like a cake consistency, but
like a pound cake.
But like a pound cake that's been soaked. Right?
I can definitely taste honey there.
Like you put it in your mouth? Oh yeah, for sure, like a honey.
And it's very sweet. Like if you have one, that's enough.
One's all you need. On a scale of like a 1 to 10, I would probably give it a 6 just because I'm not really like a super sweet type of person, you know what I mean? That I am sweet, right?
I think the what?
I am sweet, right?
Yes, you are.
Dig into some of this naan. I'm Italian. Italians eat like garlic bread, a lot of garlic, a lot of herbs as well. I would pick this any day over garlic bread.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
On a scale of like 1 to 10.
5.
Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
What kind of sauce would you dip in this?
Tomato salsa?
Oh. So give a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
In the middle.
Middle. Guys, and now we're here in downtown Niagara. We're gonna go explore some of the streets and see what this town has to offer other than the falls. Follow us. Little shops. They have like a haunted house over here. We're gonna continue walking and see what we can find, but there's tons of food carts in this little area. Tons of Indian food here. That's another entrance to Niagara Falls State Park. There's a little ice cream food cart right over here. They do have e-bikes here, so you can rent these. They're ready. They're bike shares. Ready bike share right here. So you would come right here. It says $3 setup fee, $9 for up to 4 riders, or you get the annual pass for $40 per year. But you know, just basically scan the QR code.
I was super excited about the fireworks, but then we start checking online, and it say like it's not safe here.
Niagara Falls on the United States side in New York actually was just ranked the 44th most dangerous city in the United States. Like any tourist destination, there's gonna be crime, there's gonna be pickpocketing. Deeper, that's where like the more violent crimes happen, and burglary and auto theft. We just want to kind of play it extra safe tonight, and just come out here and, you know, while we still got light.
Thanks for exploring Niagara Falls with us. It was an unforgettable day.
And we've got tons more family adventures just like this coming your way. Stay tuned. Hit subscribe and join our journey.
See you in the next adventure.
And where are we going? Should we tell them?
Sure, we're going to